Damn. Let's go. Man, me and Lil Slime trying to Kurt.
You wanna go to war?
Nah, for real.
Lil Slime, you know what the fuck going on. I'm back home, nigga. Yeah. We also, nigga. Let's go.
First off, let me hop in that whip. I'ma hop out the car, stop, bump my stick. How the fuck is you having but don't have shit? When I get off the box, I'ma take me a trip. I'ma slide with the 9 slide with the fifth. If I see him reaching, his dumb ass get hit. He just talk on the gram, he really a bitch. Last time we slid, we dumped the whole clip.
Nah, for real. We dumped the whole clip. I'm back home, nigga.
Remember them days I was towing on 9. If you run up on slime, you know you gon' die. Still smoking on cable, he give me real high. When I got in the jail, also gave me a 9. I got put in a cell, I was ready to fight. If I catch me a op, I'm taking his life. These niggas outside, but don't got no strike. If I kill this new op, then I'll take me a flight. I did so much shit that you'll be surprised. He came round the way and his dumb ass died. I'm a fucking her leave her, I ain't telling her bye. I ain't loving no bitch, I ain't hearing them lie. If I catch up with bro, his mother gon' cry. I was locked in the cell, I just did a little time. If he get the kick and get hit in the spine. Damn.
Me and Lil Slime try to hop in that car. These bitch head niggas ain't really got hot. It's me and Lil O try creeping the dog. He came out of the way, that shit was a smart. He got hit in the chest, I know that shit hurt. These niggas don't spin, these niggas just purr. I'm stuck on the box, I'm trying to go work. I hop on with AP, that bitch really curved. You come out the party, get put in the shirt. I'm smoking on he got put in the dirt. These niggas ain't snakes, these niggas be birds. He got put in the news, I know that shit hurt. While they talking about spinning, they don't got no beat. Should I spin with the now, these 223? When they see Lil O, they be hitting the feet. Go get you some strikes while you bluffing to me. We hop in the car, we really trying to creep. These niggas be nicked, they don't want beef. We really them youngins that deep in the street. When I see you in person, better step up to me.